Hello, welcome to my messy basement. Behind me, you can see the project of the day. I've been wanting to play on my lathe for a little while, a few weeks now, and I cleaned out the basement slightly to be able to access it again. Because there was a move this summer, and yeah, now a lot of my boyfriend's stuff is in here. So it's not as accessible as it used to be. But yeah, let's get you closer and show you what I'm gonna be doing. So hopefully you can see it properly. Maybe I can bump up the, no, oh God, oh, there we go, there we go. Okay, so as you can see, there's a piece of, I think it's acacia. It's a bit of an old bow tie I used to have. it does a beautiful dark wood, so I love it. Once it's all oiled up, it's so beautiful looking. And it's about, what, 8 inches, something like that. So perfect to create, you've guessed it, a spindle. So let me get, well, first of all, PPE. I got my glasses. I'm putting a mask on, and yeah, let's create a small spindle. It's gonna be a supported spindle, and I'm gonna try to make it like very pointy, but like almost like a nut shape. So like a words tonight. Oak. What does oak make? Acorns. So almost like an acorn type tip. So like very round and then poop, very, very pointy, very fast. This is my aim for this bit here. And then grow and then slowly, gradually becomes thinner and thinner. So it should create like a very, very long teardrop, almost like a, I forgot the name of that thing. There's a way to create like a glass bubble that if you snip the end, it explodes. And I want to have that kind of very elongated shape with a drop at the end. So hopefully my point comes across and I'll be able to do the project I want to do. So yeah, let me just clean a little bit, because I mean, it's a wood shop here, so it is messy. But we can try to clean it up slightly. There you go. All right, so putting my PPE, getting a better cam angle for me to work without hiding you with my arm, and let's make a spindle. Let's do it. I didn't set my wood properly. All right, so this was our piece of wood. I cut another one that's slightly longer. And the reason is we're changing to a chuck. I need to shove this inside the chuck, and I'm gonna lose about 1 inch. So yeah, let's open this up. I don't have a smaller one, because usually you want it in like the first part of the chuck, but since I have a huge one, David, don't make the comments. I need to shove it in like the second part of the chuck, which isn't the best. Also, let's lock this while we do this. There you go. So let's squeeze it in. You can probably hear a little kitty cat on the other side of the door asking to be let in. But it's not gonna happen because very dangerous here. No, Woody, you're not coming in. No. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, but I don't know which side. Oh, yeah, wrong side. I hope seeing my arm fiddling with the little, whatever the name of that thing. Oh, well. It was too lefty loosey. Oh my god. All right. Take what, 4, 5? I tried making an extra tool before doing this, and it failed. So, PPE back on. I look fabulous. All right. All right, we're almost round. So right now, if you can hear me, I'm roughing out my parts. So this is going to be the point, and then I'll want the thinnest part around here. All right, so as you can see, my shape is almost there. This is way too thick still, but I want to bring the tailstock closer because, yeah, if you have too much of a gap, it has a chance to... Is this focused at all? Oh my god, I think it wasn't focused. Oh no. All right, so if there's too much of a gap here, there's a chance of it catching and then like flipping, and we do not want that. So let's change the tailstock and go back for the smaller one. Woo, small tailstock. These are the 3 gouges that I use. This is the big one that I've just used, and then I have the teeny tiny one. Is that, no, that's the gold gauge. That's not my normal gouge. I haven't used those for a while. Oh no, it might be. I have a slightly bigger one. So I have this one, and this is the teeny tiny one that I just pulled out. And then you have the big one. but I think we'll go with this one to really get like around here to get the proper taper, and then clean out this. I think I will use this to get a straighter line. We'll see. And I'm not great with the angle one. I mainly use it to like make some lines, but apparently you can use it on this side too. And apparently I'm about to run out of battery, so let me go grab another one. And we are back with the full battery. All right, so I want to clean out this here, clean out this, and then start decorating. We'll have to sand as well. But back to the loud noises. Since I have a lot of material to remove still, I'll go back to the big gouge. I think for now this is going to be the thickness. I will clean this out at the very end. It's just that if you do remove too much all at once, you have the chance of having the spindle come and kiss you in the face. So not something we want. Okay, so let's clean up this part here. Let's not get cut in the chuck, because that would not be nice. Not a great end of a day or video. I'll make sure that my finger stays on the tailstock, because I don't want it to be cut between those. So this is the shape I want. Time for decorations. So it's very thin there, very thin over there, but we have the teardrop shape. I think I will try to, I kind of like it straight. I think we'll go for the straight. I had in mind of more like a rounded bit here and then go like more of a concave shape for the spine, but I kind of like it straight. I think we'll keep it that way and just make some decorations. I love on acacia, well, mahogany or whatever that wood is, tropical wood that the old owner of the boat found on the side of the road, but turns out like reddish purple brown when oiled. So something that really catches the eye is grooves on that wood. If you do lines, it almost becomes black in those areas. So this is a very nice thing to have and something I want on this. So I think I'll just, yeah, let's do the grooves and then sand it. So it's gonna eat whatever mess I make. Yeah, so grooves on this side, and then we'll move on this side and then clean it out. I'll put you back to where you were so I can work safely. I think the first groove I'll put it here. This, and maybe give it a sister groove. Yeah, I think that's going to be great. All right, another pair. this one should be alone. And then another... Well, I already touched it, so it's going to be here. Alright, and I want one on the very, like the biggest part here. Yeah. Okay, now I kind of want to make either this part or this part concave. I think this part should be concave. I think that's what we're going to be doing. All right. Something like that. This needs an extra line. Yeah. All right. This one I'll remove for now, just because I want it thinner. So this is what we have right now. It's a bit funky, not exactly what I had in mind, but I don't hate it. I think, yeah, no, I love it. All right, let's move the tailstock to polish this side. It's not exactly what I had in mind, but I love what it's giving. Sometimes listening to your word to your what do you call that, when you feel like something is going to be better in a way, sometimes it pays off to do it that way. Let's focus on the other bit now, and I think I unfocused it. There you go. This part, let's polish this part. Well, rip. So, Oh no, the tip broke. Oh, it twisted and broke the tip. Oh, I'll put it in autofocus so you can see it. So as it broke, it twists the tip off. So this is what we have. All right, let's try and make this work. Oh, I'm kind of sad. It was looking good. All right, let me grab my sanding paper and let's finish this. Sadly, I won't be able to finish it on the lathe, but oh well. All right, let's try and clean this bit and then we'll focus on this bit. I'm kind of sad I couldn't finish it on the lathe because you can actually use the sandpaper on it. It creates such a nice finish. All right, this is getting there. Now let's figure out what we do with this tip. As you can see, it's all torn off. Come on, camera, focus. There you go, so it's all torn off. So I need to find a way to make it pointy. All right, we're getting somewhere. And as I sand it, I like twist it in my fingers, so. Hopefully it keeps the round, the roundness. Oh, I think I got it. Still, oh, it's getting there. See, I can spin it for a short amount of time. All right, let's keep on keeping on. And now for our dramatic reveal. Whoops, let's move the coffee. For the dramatic reveal, this is our beautiful spindle so far. I got some flaxseed oil, and this is wood conditioner that I made. Cutting board conditioner basically. So it's beeswax from my bees and a little bit of this. So what I like to do is start with the flaxseed oil. Try not to make a mess. Rub it in. This is way too much. Get my disgusting rag. And then just rub some of it off. Whoops, and I'm not in camera. So I did put some oil on it, and as you can see, it's now super dark. But I think I put way too much. Let me rub it off with my disgusting rag. And by the way, this rag, it just looks disgusting. It's actually just wax and oil. And as I was mentioning before, those lines becomes almost black. Come on, camera, focus. Come on. Oh well. I'll show you closer shots later, but as you can see, those lines are black now. This is crazy. All right. Let's try to polish it off a little bit. That's most of it. And now, a little bit of wood conditioner. too much. This is probably like enough for a cutting board, so there you go. And I just rub it in. This wood has been dried for a very, very long time. So that's gonna soak up all the oils, and then, well, it's gonna dry over time as well. So I don't mind it being too oily for now. Ta-da! A super dark brown wood spindle. All right, let me put all of this away. And I mean, we can't just do a reveal without testing it, so I'll wash my hands. I will dab it a little bit more to remove excess oil. And of course, we're spinning some wool. Let's go. I got my new spindle, my little bowl, and a ball of the floof is cheviot, and the lock structure is so good that I think I can just like fluff it off slightly, and I'll be able to spin from it. It's on the rougher side of cheviot, but oh my god. Okay, this spins so nicely. All right, I'm so excited. All right. Just start this, and then I'll be able to go my own way. Starting a support spindle without a leader sometimes is a bit tricky. And off we go. Whoop! I spoke too fast. So far, it doesn't hold this momentum as much as I would have hoped, but it's so light that I'm not that spinning this way. Okay. I need to think while I do stuff sometimes. So yeah, it doesn't hold the momentum that much, but yeah, the wood is so light that I'm not that surprised either. So it's more a get the twist in and then pull on it, but it does spin so fast. It is pretty impressive. Woo! And spinning fast also means spinning 10. Oh, I love the contrast of the white yarn on the super dark wood. Look how delicious this looks. Oh my god. Oh, I love it so much. Ah, yeah. There you go. Oops, oh no! I shat on the kitty cat. You want to do the presentation, sir? Yeah, you always want to be in the movie. Yeah. Oh, and he's all wet because we just went outside and it's now winter. There is snow everywhere. But let's do a final review of this beautiful little spindle that I made. I wasn't confident about the tip at the start, but it spun really, really well. And like even in my palm, it does spin for a while. I had a lot of trouble the other way around, which is I have a lot of trouble. I tried, someone in the comment told me to like flick it with all of my fingers instead. I'm having just a lot of trouble going that way. So yeah, I'll keep practicing as always. And here's the little yarn I made with the spindle. Yeah. Little cheviot, oh, hide my face. Little cheviot skein. Ah yeah. It is by far the scratchiest wool I have. It's not made, well, it is not a breed that is typically used for next to skin, so I don't plan to use it for a next to skin project. But for socks, I was scared it would be scratchier than this, but for socks it's gonna be perfect, and it's gonna be tougher as well because the fibers are thicker. So yeah, should be should be some cool sock yarn. Not with this little quantity because that's like a toe warmer. Maybe I didn't even count like how much length of wool I have, but probably not that much. But I do not care. It's another little skein to add to my mini skein collection for a spindle's for a spindle spun something at some point. This one might not be incorporated with the rest because it doesn't have the same texture. We'll see whatever I decide to knit at that point, but this one definitely scratchier than the other ones, but still lovely, very, very bouncy. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video of this beautiful spindle and this cheviot mini skein. If you do enjoy spindle spin, well, I'll continue making them because I enjoy making them. I enjoy making the spindles, I enjoy spinning them. I found it's a very, yeah, like I said in my last spindle video, it's a very relaxing, like fiddling thing to do, so it's really fun at the end of the day in front of the TV. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like, leave a comment below. If you want to be part of the members of this channel, be part of the Floof enablers, you can click the join button down there, and we'll be happy to welcome you in the members area on YouTube. And there is also a member Discord now, so the more the merrier. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, maybe click on another spinning video. I should probably split them between wheel and spindle spun playlist. That might be a good idea. But as for me, I will see you next time. Bye bye.